admission procedure for Germany is quite elaborate. I would say it's quite similar to US, and more than the procedure, students should not worry about the procedure because that is quite possible, but the admission requirements are very strict and very demanding. To give a background about it, Germany has very limited seats to enroll students. So basically they have only I would say 35 to 50 seats for international students, and that is why it becomes very demanding. It's for international students, I repeat, it is not for only Indian students. So you have a lot of competition from other counterparts country, and that is why it is very ferocious and competitive to get into German universities. So what are they looking for? They are looking out for very basic things, but very crucial enough. One and the foremost thing is the aggregate of the student. Aggregate is very important. So all the engineers or all the people who are looking or seeking to have a German university degree in their career, they should be looking after whether they have a very strong aggregate or not. By strong aggregate, I mean at least percentage above 65. That is what I would recommend, and that is what majority of the students fall into. Of course, distinction is a very big thing and with more brighter chances. So aggregate is very important. Apart from that, they look for extracurriculars and overall profile. So they want to see how well you're groomed enough in your career or in your past. So that is again very important for it. So you should have some live internships, or if you have work experience, good enough. So these are all very important to them. Apart from that, IELTS is what you require, IELTS or TOEFL as an English language proficiency, as the programs are taught in English and not German language. So I would say German language is optional. Apart from that, what you require, which many of students do inquire, is do we require GRE? I would say GRE is again optional. Not all of the universities require it. Some TU universities, which again have lot of applications for research and all, they might require GRE, but GRE is an optional thing. It is not a necessary requirement or a mandatory requirement as US. It is seen in some universities only. So these are like the primary requirements if you are looking how to go for German.